Hello! If you are watching this video, you probably bought a light, compact cabinet. We invite you to enjoy one of our ideal products that will help you organize your home in no time. The only tool you need to assemble a Rimax cabinet is a screwdriver. So it's essential to make sure that all the pieces fit properly. Before starting the assembly process, it's essential to find a suitable space to lay out all the pieces and work on a clean surface to protect the cabinet. Step 1. The base. To begin this process, take one of the pieces labeled A, the one without the logo. Place it on the floor and select the 4 heels, or pieces F1 and F2. Insert one piece into each corner, 2 for the right side and 2 for the left side. Make sure they are properly installed according to their position. Turn the piece over and leave it on the floor, and the base of the cabinet will be ready. Step 2. Bottom sides. Take 2 panels labeled B and verify that the channel edge is at the back of the cabinet. Insert each panel B into the piece A, which is at the base. Place one on each side and ensure they fit correctly. Step 3. Lower back. Locate panel G and, following the indication on the piece, turn it and bring it to the back of the cabinet. Slide it along the guides of the B pieces, sides, until it reaches piece A, base. Make sure the pieces are perfectly secured. You should feel a click. Step 4. Doors. Now let's assemble the doors. For this, you should take the 2 door pieces labeled D and one piece C1 and one piece C2, which serve as the bottom door stoppers. One piece HH1 and one piece HH2, door connectors or handles. When attaching the door connectors or handles, make sure they fit correctly. Step 5. Top panel. Take the last piece labeled A, the one with the Rimax logo. Place the top panel on the cabinet structure. Carefully assemble the back corners. Take the doors and adjust them on the axis of the cabinet base. It's important to be well installed, as this is how the door becomes hinged. Now adjust the top panel at the front corners with the door. There's a pin that perfectly aligns with the axis. Adjust, and you're done. Repeat the process with the left door. Step 6. Shelves. Now we'll add the shelves to the cabinet. So, take the J pieces and the E pieces and place them at the desired height. Take the 4 J pieces and insert the pin into the cabinet's perforations, as seen here. Place them at the same level at the desired height for the shelf. Once the J pieces are in place, insert the shelf corresponding to piece E. Adjust and verify that it is well assembled. Now your light, compact cabinet is ready to be used. Armando is happy. Practical and cozy spaces in just a few minutes with Rimax cabinets. Suggestions. For regular cleaning of your cabinet, use conventional detergents, rinse with plenty of water, and do not use abrasive cloths or metal sponges, as they could damage the surface of the cabinet. Find our products in all Rimax stores nationwide or on our website, www.rimax.com. Also on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok too, with great usage ideas and promotions that